Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I won't be showing you an AI website or a tool, but a news aggregator. So this is for people who invest in crypto. So the name of this website is CryptoPanic, and over here you can see all the latest news related to cryptocurrency. So as you can see on this left side, these are all the news regarding all the cryptocurrencies, and you can see record 16.8 billion BTC held long term as micro risk builds. This is an news by condor.com. You can click on the news and it will redirect you to the main page of the website. So here is the news. So you can see all the news related to crypto on this website. You can see Pi network price falls below 0.09 as Pi's recovery starts to unravel. Once again, when I click on this, it will take me to the real website where the news is. So as you can see, you can literally watch and read any news regarding crypto. So this uses AI to aggregate all the news all over the world regarding every cryptocurrency. As you can see, it also tweets and checks the Twitter for X posts and a lot of new things. So on the left side, sorry, on the right side, you can see all the cryptocurrencies over here and their total day-to-day percentage of how much it has increased or how much it has decreased. So as you can see, minus 0.35 means it is in decrease mode. So these are all the cryptocurrencies on the right side. I also own some of the cryptocurrencies which I have invested in, and these are all the cryptocurrencies on the right side. You can click on it and it will take you to that particular cryptocurrency news. If I click on XRP, it will take me to the XRP news. As you can see, why XRP is down today. Oil and bond yields hit high risk assets. When I click on this, it will take me to the news. You can click on any cryptocurrency on the right side and it will filter out the news for you for that particular cryptocurrency. Let's check out Ethereum, which is ETH. Once I click on ETH, it will show me all the news on ETH itself on the left side over here. And also you can see there is a region mode where you can select which language you want to see the news in. I've selected English because my main language is English, but you can also check it out in different languages over here. Let's click on Deutsch, which is German. So now the news is in German, as you can see over here. So you can select different types of languages and you can see the news in that language itself. And there is also a feature called as portfolio tracker where you can log in and sign up and track your portfolio on different cryptocurrencies over here itself. So that is also an amazing feature over here. You can do your portfolio tracking on your cryptocurrencies in this website itself. So this is what I wanted to show you today, guys. This is an amazing website for crypto news and it uses AI to aggregate all of its news from the whole world. So thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot. Thank you.